Hello class third. In my previous video, we discussed about our country, states, dances and languages of different states. Today I'll discuss about Indian prime ministers and presidents who were in our India. Now please take out your book and I'll discuss about chapter 2, that is based on prime ministers and presidents of India. Chapter 2, Indian Presidents and Prime Ministers. Exercise A. Some of these people were our presidents while the others were our prime ministers. Write their names and next to each write P for president and PM for prime minister. Names are given in this box. You have to find out the name and write below the given picture. Let's see what are the pictures. The first picture, see, who were he? The first picture is Morarji Desai. He was the Prime Minister of India. So you have to write PM and the name of Morarji Desai. You can write the correct spelling from the given box. Number 2, that is V.V. Giri. He was the President of India. So you have to write capital P and the name V.V. Giri. See, third picture. Third picture is very familiar to you, that is Jawaharlal Nehru, Chacha Nehru. He was a Prime Minister of India. You have to write the full name and PM for Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The fourth picture is Zail Singh. You have to write P. He was a President of India and write Zail Singh name for him. Fifth is Indira Gandhi. She was the Prime Minister of India. Six is Zakir Hussain. He was a President of India. You have to write the full name and write P below the picture. Seventh is Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the PM of India. Eighth is Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the President of India. Ninth, Prime Minister. Who was he? Chandra Shekhar. He was a Prime Minister of India. So children, in these pictures, you have to write who were they. Were they Prime Minister or President? You have to indicate with capital P or capital PM and you have to write the correct spelling from the given box. I have mentioned numbers according to the pictures. You have to write the correct spelling below all the pictures. Exercise B. Write the name and write P for President and PM for Prime Minister. The same exercise we have done right now. The same I'll do in exercise B. Some names are given here. We have to find out and write below the given picture and P for President and PM for Prime Minister. The first is PM picture. Who is he? See, I have mentioned here VP Singh. You have to write a spelling from here, VP Singh. Second was Prime Minister. He was SD Sharma. You have to copy the spelling from box, SD Sharma. Third is Prime Minister image. That's Charan Singh image. Please write the spelling from the box. Fourth is S. Radha Krishnan. He was a President of India. Fifth, PM, Prime Minister. P.V. Narasimha Rao. He was the Prime Minister of India. Six is a picture of Prime Minister Venkata Raman. Venkata Raman spelling you can write from the box. Seventh Seventh is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. 8. 8 is the prime president picture, that is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. 8th is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. He was a president of India. 9th prime minister Rajiv Gandhi. You can copy the spelling from this box. Rajiv Gandhi. He was the prime minister of India. Exercise C. Put a tick mark for each correct answer oblique one word. Same as chapter 1, you have to learn the answer for these multiple choice questions. These questions will come in the form of one word. The first president of India was S. Radhakrishnan, Rajendra Prasad, Zakir Hussain. Rajendra Prasad. The youngest prime minister till now, V.P. Singh, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi. Third, the first prime minister was Indira Gandhi, Chandrasekhar, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Fourth, which prime minister was the governor of RBI, Reserve Bank of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Chandrasekhar, Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh was the governor of RBI. Mahatma Gandhi was a president, prime minister, neither. Mahatma Gandhi was not a president, neither a prime minister. He was freedom fighter. 6. The president elected in 50th year of India's independence was. Who was elected in 50th year of India's Independence Day? K.R. Narayanan, R.K. Narayanan, S. Radhakrishnan. K.R. Narayanan. 7. Subhash Chandra Bose was a president, prime minister, neither. He was also neither a prime minister nor a president. He was a freedom fighter. 8. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Rajmohan Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. Jawaharlal Nehru. 9th, the number of lady presidents that India has had is. How many lady presidents were in India? None. 1, 2, 1. Which of them has lived in Rashtrapati Bhavan? K.R. Narayanan, I.K. Gujral, Jawaharlal Nehru. K.R. Narayanan. Children, you have to learn the answers for this exercise. Hope you all have understood all the answers. Please tick the answers in your book and learn these answers for your UT1. I have given you all the answers of chapter 1 and chapter 2. Now you will learn all the answers. I'll send you answers PDF in your WhatsApp group. From there you can easily understand the answers. If you have any difficulty, you can take the answers from WhatsApp group.